In the previous lesson in this series that we're running on UX strategy and leadership, we were discussing aligning your UX role with the organization's goals and understanding your current position within the organization. Today, we're going to explore the tangible resources that you already have because many UX leaders instinctively request more people, more budget, or more time. While there is a place for such requests, which we'll cover later in the course, effective UX leadership begins by honestly recognizing what's achievable within your current means. I understand this exercise might feel a bit discouraging, particularly if resources are limited. But the goal here isn't to uncover hidden opportunities immediately, but rather to have an honest appraisal of your current situation. And that'll enable you to set realistic expectations with senior management and to articulate your needs more effectively. Start by assessing your current budget honestly. Can you directly purchase tools or do you need to get approval every time? And if you do require approval, how supportive is your manager? And roughly how much per year can you typically spend without causing too much friction? Knowing your financial constraints and managerial support is essential to realistic planning. Next, clearly identify the tools you already have, from user research platforms to design tools like Figma to analytics platforms. Evaluate if you're effectively spending your money wisely on the tools and whether you could reduce spending on applications you only use occasionally and reallocate that budget to areas of greater value. This clarity reveals immediate opportunities for optimization and highlights critical gaps in the software and tools that you have. Next, you want to clearly understand what internal or external teams are already at your disposal. Make an honest assessment of their strengths and their weaknesses. Identify how much you can maximize your value with your existing staff or partners. Consider how AI tools could augment your team's capabilities and improve efficiency rather than immediately requesting additional headcount. Then you want to evaluate existing opportunities for personal growth. Do you have current access to training, webinars, or coaching? Using these resources effectively will fill skill gaps without waiting for additional investment. And then you want to reflect honestly on your current autonomy. Do you have the authority to set policies relating to user experience? Do you get to decide and prioritize your own work? Can you influence broader approaches that teams use to develop products and services? Identifying the boundaries of your current influence helps you strategically expand it over time. And then finally, identify your current supporters within the organization who already values UX. Building and nurturing these relationships is critical. Regularly engaging with your advocates, encouraging their support, and ensuring they see the positive impact of their involvement. Take 10 minutes today to jot down honest bullet points under these different resource categories, because recognizing what you already have is crucial for practical planning. In the next episode, we're going to look at how to effectively present your findings to management. But don't worry, we'll be revisiting resources and influence later in the course, ensuring your strategy is as impactful as possible.